welcome to my channel. Today I draw a cute sandals. Let's start. Let's start coloring yellow color.
Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock struck 3. Fiddly-dee, hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock struck 4. He ran out the door.
Orange color.
Hickory dickory dock,
Green color.
he buzzed round the clock struck 5. She went to her high. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock struck 6. Oh fiddlesticks,
Orange color. Purple color. If you like this video, to please subscribe our channel. See you tomorrow.